Peace and love, beautiful people. Live and let love. We are going to look at a plant known to us as tuna plant. That's that green prickly plant that we're looking at there. But in the scientific community, it is known as Opuntia ficus indica. It's also known as the prickly pear plant, and it's a member of the cactus family. I remember seeing it at a very young age where our foreparents used to use it to tie on their forehead, and they would use it, they said, to reduce their blood pressure. And it actually works for them. Now, this prickly pear, can be used in many different ways. It has many health benefits which have been proven. One of the major health benefits that's known locally is for the improvement of your hair and scalp. Now, many people sometimes they have what we call dry scalp, and we'll see things that we call dandruff being scraped off the scalp. This is the plant to get rid of dandruff. In fact, you can combine it, blend it together with aloe vera, and it's great to detangle your hair if your hair should be tangled. It moisturizes the hair. It's a natural hair conditioner and a shampoo, and it has been used for years among the local folks. And today it's been used in the cosmetic industry for facial creams and shampoo. But it can be used just in its raw state to wash your hair. In fact, when you use it on your hair, it feels so refreshing and nice. I have used it many times. It also helps to prevent alopecia or any hair loss problem that you may be having. It has been found to also help to relieve headaches. A tea can be made from it. It can be blended in smoothies. It can be cooked and steamed and fried. In the Mexican delicacy, it is widely used in Mexico according to the literature. Here in Jamaica, we use it mainly for hair purposes and cosmetic purposes. But I personally, I have used it. I have cooked it and eaten it. It tastes real nice. You can season it just like any meat kind or any vegetable that you would have seasoned and steamed it. You also can use it to make what we call tuna water. Now, I've seen my parents doing this. The tuna water, tuna is rich in vitamin C, and it's also acts as an immune booster, and it's antioxidant, so it's good for your skin. Now they have come up with the idea of using some coconut water with one of the leaves, slicing up the leaves or one of the leaves in the coconut water and cover it and place it in the fridge or even in your kitchen on a counter overnight, and you drink that in the morning. It is said that it can add stamina to men, and it can improve your gut health. It prevents constipation, and it helps with people who are diabetic also, because it helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. So this tuna water, I've seen other people stretching it to add other things like okra in it, and they would set it in the fridge and even for a day or two, and then it comes out slimy, thick, and nice. It coats the stomach. It will help to prevent stomach ulcers, and it acts as a detox agent for your blood and a blood cleanser. It also helps to reduce your cholesterol level, and This tuna also we used to apply to burns, to insect bites, to cuts. It helps to remove stretch marks and to remove wrinkles because it stimulates collagen growth. So it also has vitamin E and vitamin K, which these are all good for your skin. And therefore, we encourage you to have this plant in your garden and use it up. I have proven it to be very beneficial, and you can add it to other plants such as aloe vera. You can use it in your cooking, and you can use it in your juices and in your teas. So this plant full of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, analgesic properties, good for joint pains, back pains. People have testified that when they have back pain, they use this plant and it actually work for them. It works. So people, do not destroy this plant. I want you to preserve it. I have seen where people are cutting them down, destroying them. I'm asking you to preserve this plant. Let us grow more of this plant. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and live and let love.